Hi, it's another fantastic day in Coto de Casa. I'm at the end of our 18th hole on our North Golf Course. And today we have this plant. This is a Tecoma capensis. We know it as a Cape honeysuckle. And some people still refer to it by its old name, Tecoma capensis. It also goes by a bunch of Dutch names and African names that you can read here. So it's named capensis. It means of or from the Cape. And this shrub is native to South Africa, or the Cape of Good Hope. And honeysuckle, since it looks like a honeysuckle, here I'll put some side by side. Here on my left, that's a Japanese honeysuckle. And on the right is our Cape honeysuckle. So they look quite a lot alike. But it's not a true honeysuckle. It comes from a totally unrelated genus and even family. So this is a fast-growing, multi-stem, scrambling evergreen shrub. Grows about 7 to 10 feet high and about just as wide. Now you could shape this to grow as ground cover, a small shrub, a small tree, or a hedge along your property line. So this shrub, it likes semi to full sun, very little watering, well-balanced fertilizer. And the allure of this plant really is these orange flowers. Now these bloom all year in Southern California, and the colors here, they look fantastic next to our bougainvillea. Just both the orange and the pink look fantastic. All right, so the flowers here, they're about 3 inches long, they're narrow, they're tubular, and here's a nice, they're great pollinators too. Here's a good little bee there doing his job. Now these plants are really designed in nature for the African sunbirds, who have these long curvy bills and exclusively feed on this plant. But in Southern California, they're perfect for our hummingbirds. Get a little hummingbird, put his beak in there, no problem at all. All right, here we have another pretty bee. Now the leaves of this plant, this is a leaf, this whole item here, has little leaflets. So the leaf gets like 6 to 9 inches long or so. And there's between 5 and 9 leaflets on each leaf. So this guy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Always ends with a terminal leaf. Now the leaves here, the leaflets, they're a little oblong shaped. They're a little pointed. Some are a little bit serrated on the ends. Let's see here, a little serrated here, right? And they're also very glossy, shiny green, and a little bit dull on the back. So our Cape honeysuckle, it sort of acts like a vine, but it's not really a vine. It's considered a scrambling plant. And that means it sends out long growth tips, almost like runners, you see down here. And they extend out till they find an object or a plant or a boulder or a trellis or a fence, and it tends to grow up them, even other plants. Now you want to prune it back in late winter to promote more growth and more flowers. It also helps keep these plants looking nice, clean, and tidy. So now, does this plant have any medicinal value? Well, I'm glad you asked. It has a lot. So the bark here we go. It's been used to relieve pain, induce sleepiness, bring down fevers, treat chest ailments like bronchitis and pneumonia, treat stomach pains, diarrhea, dysentery, and promote the flow of milk for nursing mothers. Now you can grind up the stems, make a powder out of them, like the bark, and you rub it against your teeth to treat bleeding gums. And the leaves up here, they've been used to treat diarrhea and gastroenteritis. Wow, what a great flower. And finally, you pick these off, all right? You can kind of suck the sap out of the base, and it actually tastes a little bit sweet. The best thing, there we go. Yeah, get a little sweet buzz. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.